Upbeat, energetic music starts and then fades slightly to the background. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you think about earning money online. Are you tired of complicated platforms that demand huge investments before you see a single penny? Well, I've just discovered something that feels like it's straight out of the future. It's called Taskey, and it's a brand new zero investment platform that's here to revolutionize online work. What's so special about Taskey? It's built on what they call 2050 technology, designed to be simple, secure, and accessible for everyone, no matter your skill level. I've been digging into it, and there are literally 6 different ways you can start earning right away. Let's break them down. First up, for all you skilled professionals out there, they have a massive freelancing marketplace. If you're a graphic designer, a content writer, or an SEO expert, this is your chance to connect with happy clients from all over the world and land some serious projects. It's a fantastic way to build your portfolio and achieve real freelancing success. But what if you're just looking for something quick and easy? That's where their microjobs come in. These are simple tasks like data entry or filling out surveys that you can complete from anywhere on the globe. It's perfect for earning fast cash in your spare time without any long-term commitment. Seriously, it's one of the easiest income streams I've seen. Now, for those who want to earn with literally zero skill required, you're going to love this next one. Click and watch earn. You get paid just for watching videos and clicking on ads. That's it. It's pure passive income you can generate while you're relaxing or doing other things. How cool is that? And Taskey isn't just for individuals looking to earn, it's also a powerhouse for creators and businesses. Their social media growth service is designed to help you go viral. Need a boost on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok? They can help you get real, authentic engagement from a worldwide audience. Speaking of creators, my fellow YouTubers, listen up. Taskey has a dedicated YouTube Millionaire program. They were offering services to help you grow your channel faster than ever and hit those big milestones like your first 1 million subscribers. That silver play button could be closer than you think. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it safe? That was my first question too. Taskey takes security incredibly seriously. They have what they call a futuristic cyber control room with expert controllers and glass monitors overseeing everything. This ensures every single payment is 100% secure, transparent, and verified. You can work with total peace of mind. The future of online earning is here, and it's completely free to join. But here is the catch. They re-offering limited spots for early users to get in on the ground floor. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. The platform is waiting for you. If this sounds exciting to you, don't wait another second. I've put the link to join Taskey in the description below. Go check it out, sign up for free, and start exploring all the ways you can earn. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which Taskey feature you're most excited about. See you in the next video.